Today, I want to share 4 random but super useful tips in Premiere Pro. Some of you may already have tried these before, but maybe there's at least one that you haven't tried yet. Let's hop into it. When you're adjusting your audio levels on a clip, instead of going up to the effect controls and adjusting it there, you can just click on the audio and press G on your keyboard to bring the gain tool up. Then you can add and subtract decibels on your audio levels. When you're deep in your timeline and you want to quickly see the entire sequence, just press the / on your keyboard and it'll show you the entire timeline. This one's especially useful if you're trying to loop a video maybe for socials, or if you're just trying to listen to the same audio piece over and over again. Create an in point where you want to start the playback. Then add an out point where you want the playback to end. Now click the loop icon or add it to your tools like this, then press it. Now when you hit play, it'll automatically continue to loop where your in and out points are. Last but not least, match frame. You're in your timeline and maybe you lost the original camera audio and need to find it again, or just want to pull more of a clip that you already cut. Select the clip, press F on your keyboard, and it'll pull that exact clip with the in and out points. So all you have to do is drag the audio below your clip and you've reconnected your camera audio. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time with another video.